Sodium benzoate contains not less than 99.0% and not more than 100.5% of C7H5NaO2, calculated on the dried basis. Description: a white crystalline or granular powder or flakes, odorless or with a faint odor, hygroscopic. For the estimation of sodium benzoate, 1. Preparation of 0.1 N solution of HClO4 and its standardization. Dissolve 8.5 ml of 72% HClO4 in about 900 ml glacial acetic acid with constant stirring. Add about 30 ml acetic anhydride and make up the volume, 1000 ml with glacial acetic acid, and keep the mixture for 24 hours. Acetic anhydride absorbed all the water from HClO4 and glacial acetic acid and renders the solution virtually anhydrous. HClO4 must be well diluted with glacial acetic acid before adding acetic anhydride because reaction between HClO4 and acetic anhydride is explosive. 2. Standardization of HClO4. To 500 mg of potassium acid phthalate, add 25 ml of glacial acetic acid and add few drops of 5% WVI crystal violet in glacial acetic acid as indicator. This solution is titrated with 0.1 HClO4. The color changes from blue to blue-green.
Say procedure. Weigh accurately about 0.25 g of sodium benzoate, dissolve in 20 ml of anhydrous glacial acetic acid, warming to 50 degrees if necessary, cool. Titrate with 0.1 m perchloric acid, using 0.05 ml of 1-naphthalbenzoate solution as indicator. Carry out a blank titration. Equivalent or I.P factor. 1 ml of 0.1 m perchloric acid is equivalent to 0.01441 g of sodium benzoate. For calculations: percentage sodium benzoate equals x ml times normality, calculated, times 0.01441 times 100/n, given, times Wt, of sample, in gm. X ml where, x ml equals volume of titrant consumed at end point. Normality calculated equals normality of perchloric acid after standardization. Normality given equals 0.1 N. Joyson Classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Joyson Classes.
The best for best.